these next mobility or stretches are going to be focusing on your back, so really good especially for lower back health and a little bit for the full spine as well. So our first one's going to be the sciatic super stretch. So in the sciatic super stretch, we're going to place one foot just slightly in front, so we'll go right foot in front, and bent knee, we're just going to bend the back leg as well a little bit, and simply to begin with we're just going to turn in and out like so. So closing it and then opening back up. So if you do struggle with sciatic pain or the lower back pain, this is a nice easy entry one just to kind of move this. If you do around about kind of 10 movements, it can really ease up the kind of lower spine and hips. From here we can rock back, straightening the front leg, and from there we can carry on the same thing, so twisting into that front leg and then opening up, and again we're just flossing that nerve that runs down the leg. And then again, to further this, we can take the toe and point them in, and then again we can carry on through that movement, and again this takes it through a full range, so releasing any pain. So a great one to do first thing in the morning when you've woke up and you're feeling that kind of pain, also straight after a day, just to kind of release any built up pain in there. And obviously with all of these we do the same on the opposite side. So again, leg forward, bending through the front knee, bending through the back knee, and we've got those twists opening and closing through that. And once again we'd rock back for that straight leg, carrying on those twists in and out, and then again taking that into that toe pointing in and carrying those stretches on like so. So that's your sciatic super stretch. Really does release quite a lot of kind of pain and locked up in the hips. From there we're going to look at a wave through the spine. So this is a great one to get kind of curvature moving through the spine rather than have a rigid spine. So what we're looking at, and I'm going to turn sideways for this, is chin to chest, and then your chest goes back, then your belly button goes back, and then we're just going to roll out the hips just down to around about the knees, and then rolling back. Belly button comes through, chest comes through, head comes back, and then once again rolling through. So as you get this movement going, we can start to go a little bit further down, but take this steady and just rolling through those, so almost creating a bit of a wave through your spine. And again with these, I'd probably only look at doing around about 5 of these just to get the mobility moving through your spine. So again, a good one to do when you're seized up, especially in that upper back, just to start that movement going. Our next one, we're going to go down to the floor. So we're going to do the sheepdog. So for the sheepdog, we're going to be face down. Again, this is a great one for your lower back, but what I'm actually doing is stretching out the hips and the front of your body. So we're going to lie down face down. I'm going to start off on the forearms, like so. So in this, we're just lifting up. We're going to try and keep the belly button tucked in, and we're lifting up into this position like so. And that's your first position. Now if that feels easy, and for some of you it might, then we can take the hands and we can push up onto the hands. Now if you wanted to take this an extra step further, so make it into a sheepdog plus, you can move your head side to side, looking, and then slowly back to the other side. And again, this just flosses through all your muscles in your body and works quite a lot of your fascia as well. Our final move of this set is going to be on the back. So we're going to roll over, lying flat on the back, arms out to the sides, and simply we're going to take your right leg over and slide it all the way over to your left hand, or as close as you can, and then slide it back. And we just swing the leg just like a swinging gate, backwards and forwards over. So we're never really holding the stretch, we're just moving in and out of it. And again, it doesn't matter how far you get, it's just getting that movement. As soon as you feel restriction, we can come back. Good. And there you are, your back stretches and movements to kind of ease off pain or get through a day or pre pre-go for the day, pre-go, new word, so that it feels better throughout the day.